Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've gone through like 4 video ideas today and all of them just haven't landed. So today we're gonna follow a drawing tutorial. We're gonna draw a baby Yoda. At least that's what Mrs. Shu is teaching me how to do, so let's try it.
Hi everyone,
Hey,
I
Mrs.
hope
Shu.
you're all doing well out there. So I was asked to do a drawing tutorial for you guys, and I wanted as many of you to join in the fun. What better than to draw a baby Yoda?
It's a cute dog.
Mr.
It's a
Shu
really
and
cute
I
dog.
finally, as you can see, let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with his face. Go ahead and start his eyes right here, like that. And you're just gonna go back and forth because I know it's hard to get it the first time around. We'll make the highlights of the eyes. Mouth. Okay, so it's gonna come out to about this way, right there, and eye. And there you can add the rest of the head. It'll pointy up like this, and same thing on the other side. Again, you can measure it so that way it'll look the same on the other side using my pencil there. Okay, and then you can do the rest of the ear. Now you're going to make the top, the forehead. On the other side. Okay, now you could add some of the wrinkles on his face, on his forehead there. So you can make a line like this and then curve it out. Now you can add in your little bits of hair there. Now you are ready to do your robe, his robe. So you're gonna take right below his ear, you're gonna extend it out just like that. And then you're going to add where your arm is going to be. So you're just going to just do that for now, and then you could make it more real. And then you can do the rest of your robe. So you can add the fold of the robe if you want. Now let's go back to the hands.
I'm gonna make him hold an iPhone. So this is my baby Yoda. As you can see, he doesn't really look like a baby at all. Looks more like an old man. As you can see, I made him hold an iPhone. So I'm gonna submit this to the school and hopefully I win the competition. I mean, like, look, this is super artistic. Why wouldn't I win, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This idea took forever to come up with, so hopefully I'll see you guys next month at best. So peace.